Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to personalize the iPhone home screen. Here are the steps to personalize your iPhone home screen and make it look unique. First is to update iOS. Go to the Settings, General, Software Update. Make sure you're on the latest iOS for full customization features. Change wallpaper. Go to Settings again, Wallpaper, add new wallpaper. Choose a photo, gradient, emoji, or weather and astronomy wallpaper. Use widgets. Press and hold the home screen, tap the plus button, add widgets like weather, calendar, battery, or photos. Tap on widget, then tap add widget. Resize widgets. When adding a widget, swipe to choose small, medium, or large sizes, if there's any. Tap Done to save the widget to add it to your home screen. Customize app icons. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus button, add action. Scroll down to find an app. Select the app, then find the app. For example, open TikTok. Tap on it, and then tap Done. To add to home screen, tap and hold the Open TikTok, tap Share icon, then add to home screen. Choose a custom photo or icon if there's an option, and then tap Add. And there you have it. Shortcuts TikTok from your home screen. Organize apps into folders. Drag one app onto another to create a folder. Name the folder by category, for example, social, work, or entertainment. Hide pages. Long press the home screen. Tap dots at the bottom. Uncheck pages you don't want visible. Use App Library. Swipe left past all home screens. Then quickly find apps by category or using the search bar. Set a focus with custom home screen. Go to Settings, Focus. Assign different home screen pages to work, personal, sleep, or study. Add live or moving wallpapers. Use dynamic wallpapers or live photos for animated lock screens. Experiment with themes. Combine wallpaper icons and widgets into a cohesive theme. For example, pastel, neon, minimal, anime. Rotate themes based on mood or season. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.